His tail's at the kitchen.
Where is he?
He's right straight above me.
Huh?
He's right straight above me.
Oh, here he is. He's going nuts. Poor guy. It's just her.
Sorry.
He's calling you. He's like, where did you go? You gonna pull it back up? It's like, where did you go? Oh! There we go. Nice pretty snapshot of him. Oh, get some pretty pictures. This is a really good way to get... He's like turning his head off. He's cocking his head off to the side like, where did she go? This is awesome. This is gonna be like Alfred Hitchcock here in a minute. Yeah, when you don't play it for a while, he starts chirping. Yeah, I think so. I think this is like Match.com. Somebody else is in the neighborhood. Hey, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. You hear that, buddy? Man, that's a pretty bird.